Today's video is going to be a little bit different because while we are on the topic of custom engagement rings, these are actually 3D printed replicas of the original ring. So these rings are from the brand With Clarity, and actually on their site you can customize your engagement ring, and all of their diamonds are GIA graded as well. And you may be wondering, why are these replicas when you could just have the original ring? They send you these 3D printed replicas to see what you do or don't like. So this is their home preview service, and how this works is you select 2 rings and they send those rings to you with 2-day shipping, and you have 3 days to test out and see what you do or don't like about the rings. And that actually may be a good idea for guys if they want to propose but don't want to kick up the initial investment and you just want to have a placeholder ring before you guys finalize the actual stone and style, etc. So after those 3 days you get to finalize your ring, and in fact even when your final ring comes in there is a 30-day return period as well. So this home preview service is actually free to try, which is pretty crazy because they're sending you these rings to test out. You can customize it, you can get the feel for it in 3 days, send it back, free shipping, etc. So in my opinion that's like a no-lose situation if you are interested or in the market for something like this. So these are the 2 rings that I selected for the box. The one above has a retail price of $1,400, the one on the bottom retails for $1,800. The first ring I selected was the Twisting Halo Tri-Stone Diamond Engagement Ring. It has 2 larger accent diamonds framing the center diamond, as well as smaller pave set diamonds that curve around to make a halo on this ring. The second ring I chose was the Oval Cathedral Halo Diamond Engagement Ring. So this ring has a raised diamond halo that encircles the center diamond over a cathedral band. The metal mix that they choose for these 3D replicas imitate those of white gold or platinum. So on their site they have engagement rings for as little as $200, and that's for a Tiffany style engagement ring. They either have 4-prong or 6-prong settings, and obviously they have various other styles as well. Just for reference, I wanted to see how much my actual Tiffany & Co. Tiffany setting style engagement ring would cost if we had purchased it from With Clarity, and the stats on that ring were 1.55 carat Color Eye VS1 Clarity. So when I input all the stats, that would have cost $9,793 on With Clarity's site. So all of the With Clarity rings come with a lifetime warranty that includes cleaning, polishing, and accent diamond replacement. And all of the ring boxes come in a complimentary insured shipping box. So this company is based in New York City and everything is made in-house. Another interesting feature is that they offer free engraving, which is a nice perk that not every company offers that. And they also mention that they can create custom designs, so if there's something that you don't see on their website, they can create that for you. So this is what the home preview box looks like. It just has this slide open compartment right here. And here they just have some information about finding your perfect ring. This is just a little card explaining how it works. They also include this card as well with a lifetime warranty, free insured shipping, made in New York, free engraving, conflict-free diamonds, and customized ring designs. I also want to note that the site offers real as well as lab-created diamonds, so there are options in terms of pricing. So that concludes today's video, and just as a disclaimer, I was sent both of these rings, so if you were interested in purchasing, be sure to check out my affiliate link in the description box down below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.